Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block and unblock someone on TikTok using your mobile phone. So, if there's someone you don't want to see your videos or interact with you, or maybe you just want to take a break from someone's content, this tutorial is for you. First, let's start with how to block someone. Open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Now, tap the search icon at the top right corner and type the username of the person you want to block. Once their profile shows up, tap on it to open their page. You'll see 3 dots or a share icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. From the menu that pops up, select Block. Note, they will not be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. This doesn't include extended scenarios like multi-host live streams, duets posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. They will not be notified that you blocked them. And when it asks you to confirm, tap Block again. That's it. The person is now blocked and won't be able to view your videos or interact with your account anymore. Now, if you ever change your mind and want to unblock them, here's how to do it. Go back to your TikTok app and head over to your profile. Tap the 3 lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Privacy. Keep scrolling until you find Blocked Accounts. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked. Just tap Unblock next to the person's name, and boom, they're unblocked and can see your content again. And that's it. You've just learned how to block and unblock your friends on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials like this.